back to my channel, Tasty Meal by Stacy. Before we start today, I just wanted to say thank you all for your love and your support. I'm doing a small holiday giveaway as a thank you to my subscriber. So make sure you stay until the end to hear the details. Now, let's start cooking. Today, we are making a soup. Why am I making a soup? Because it's cold. I think a lot of us are cold, and I know you guys can relate with me. Even though depend on where we are, but I think almost everywhere is cold this time of the year. It is holidays time, it's almost Christmas, so I want to make a soup that can warm our heart and soul. But this is the best of the best. To me, the wonton soup is awesome. So let's go ahead and put this dish together. So I'm using about 10 ounces of chicken breast. I also have here about a pound of wonton, frozen wonton. They have the pork. I got pork and vegetable wonton. Those are my favorite. I like those better than chicken. This flavor into it. I mean, they're just different. I prefer the pork vegetable wonton, but you can actually get the chicken and vegetable. I have a cup and a quarter of mushroom. As you know, I love mushroom. I have a cup of spinach that we're going to be using. I will give you guys the measurement as I go when I start marinating the chicken breast in the soup. I also want to be using cornstarch, a little salt, a little sugar. I'm going to put my personal touch, the Latin touch. I'm going to be using chicken bouillon. We're going to be using ginger, sesame oil, and garlic powder. So guys, let's go ahead and put this dish together. I'm going to start by cutting the chicken breast. We're going to start cutting the chicken breast nice and thin. Guys, to marinate the chicken breast, we are going to be putting a quarter teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, just go ahead and move it around. We're going to be putting in about a tablespoon and a half of water. We need to make sure we stir it because we want the cornstarch to get nice and loose and also get into the chicken breast. Smells so good. We're also putting about a tablespoon of sesame oil. We mix it well. We're just going to put it aside. We're also going to be kneading about 4 to 5 slices of ginger. I also going to be using the sugar snap peas. We're just going to be cleaning the sugar snap peas. I already started this, so you're just going to take that little stems right there from all of them. Okay guys, I have here about 3 cups of water, and we're going to go ahead and put the wonton. We just put the wonton in the water, so we're going to wait until the water starts boiling again. We give it a minute and then we take them out. Okay, let's go ahead and put the wonton out. Guys, now we're going to go ahead and pour in the ginger. We put the chicken right away. We're going ahead and pour the chicken. So it's going to boil together. We want to separate the chicken, so we're just going to go ahead and move it. Let's go ahead and pour the mushroom. And the sugar snap peas. I'm not putting in green onion. It does call for green onion, but I didn't have any right now. So it kind of enhanced the flavor. So if you guys have it, if you guys find it, go for it. But I am using some extra ingredients. So as I tell you guys, for flavors, I'm going to be using about a quarter of teaspoon of lemon pepper. And I'm also going to be using a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. You can try it like this, it's optional, but I tell you one thing, if you do, you're gonna love it. It's just awesome. Delicious, delicious, delicious. So right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour a tablespoon of soy sauce. We're gonna let it boil for 2 minutes, not too much. We don't want the peas to get to cook too much and get brown, and also the mushroom, we want them to be nice and tender. Now after 3 minutes, the mushroom with the peas and the chicken being boiling, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put the wonton back into the soup. Nice. Let's separate them. Oh, that is looking good. We're just gonna give it a minute so that the wonton gets some of that flavor from the soup. And the rest of the ingredient gets some flavor from the wonton. So just 1 minute would do it. Once they start boiling again, we're going to turn it off, and then we're going to proceed to put the spinach. It's a beautiful day today to have a nice cup of soup. It's cold and it's raining. That's why I couldn't get the green onion to put it on this dish. It does call for green onion, but I do have it in the garden, but I couldn't go outside. It's raining. Now it's time to turn it off because it just started to boil, and we want to make sure that that's the point where we turn it off. And it's also the point where we put the spinach in it. And if you don't like the spinach to cook too much or to get brown, you want to keep it fresh. If you're going to serve it to your friends and family and you want it nice, you can also take it off the burner. Wow, guys, look at this soup. Oh, that looks so good. This is awesome. It smells delicious. This is so pretty. The soup itself, look at this, guys. I am actually going to serve myself a little slice of ginger since I like the ginger so much. It's right here, and I'm just going to put it right on the top because I really love to eat ginger, so I don't mind at all. Wow, look at that. Woo! Guys, let's go ahead and try this beautiful dish. But before I try this beautiful dish, I just wanted to tell you all that if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. As I promised, I'm doing a small giveaway to thank my subscriber for the support. So just make sure that you are subscribed, that you like this video, and you leave a comment below. This giveaway is for my US subscribers at the moment, but I thank you all for your support, for being here, for watching my videos. I'm going to be doing another giveaway, and I hope I will be going a little further out. Thank you so much for your support again. I will be announcing the winner by December 31st, 2025. Wow, what a wonderful soup. I know that this is the time where it is cold everywhere, or at least almost everywhere. So I think for Christmas time, Christmas is around the corner. A nice little light soup like this, wonton soup, guys, will be perfect for an appetizer. Or in an afternoon when you guys are starting to cook and getting things together, family are coming in because it is cold. Make sure you surprise them. Wait for them with a nice wonton soup. This recipe, the way I made it, is just delicious. Put in a little hint of lemon pepper and also chicken bouillon, guys. You break the rules. Guys, thank you so much for your support. God bless. Let's eat.